Hey, what's up, VIPs? You got Matt and Helen here.
Hey everyone, happy holidays. We hope you had a fabulous Thanksgiving. We're coming at you a couple days late, but we hope it was wonderful.
Absolutely. And we have another update for you today. We're going to talk about what happened last week, where we're at with our supply, some manufacturing updates. It's pretty exciting. Also, we got John normally does the giveaway. We're doing the giveaway at the end of the video, so we're going to do that for John today. The Sunday giveaway on a Monday. So stay tuned till the end for the giveaway. But yeah, we'll go ahead and start out with first of all saying, we give our our extreme apologies for not being able to open last week like we thought. We've had a few issues with our supply chain that came down, and it ended up costing us our supply for the week. We won't go into too many details. We were on the assumption, or almost the promise, that we would have product last week by the middle of the week, so we can prepare that for you and have it to you ready. And that didn't happen, unfortunately. That product went somewhere else in the state. So we do want to just extend our extreme apologies by not being able to open to you. It's because it hurts us dearly when we can't open.
It
Isn't
does.
that right, Helen?
It does, Matt. And my gosh, we're so sorry for all the confusion, because we know there were, we were telling you we'd be open last week. We thought we'd be here by Thanksgiving with beautiful medicine for everyone, and our website said one thing, and we're just so terribly sorry for the confusion, guys. Honestly, it was never our intention, and we had kind of a big surprise come at us the day before, we thought we would have products. So our sincere apologies, and thanks for sticking with us through it all.
Yes, and that's one thing, is we appreciate you and your patience, and I promise you these are just some early pains that will go away this very early in these months now. But 3 or 4 months, I tell Helen all the time, we're going to look back at this and just kind of smile, knowing that those growing pains are over.
Yeah.
So, but we do have a great update on manufacturing. Helen, why don't you kind of cover that for us?
Well, we do. We know that manufactured products are, from what we can tell, literally within weeks of arriving at our dispensary. And oh my goodness, we're going to have such a beautiful variety. We're going to bring in every method of delivery that's on the market, good quality products from good folks that are looking out for our patients. So we're excited. But again, we're thinking still at this point, it's looking like mid to late December.
Yeah, for the manufactured
For
products.
the manufactured products, yeah.
And we're hoping to make an announcement on who that supply chain will be by as early as end of this week, early next week.
Yes,
so,
absolutely.
Yes, so stay tuned for that. So another thing too is we want to talk about, we've gotten a few messages about why we delete comments and that sort of thing on our Facebook page. It sounds silly, so we're going to just cover some house rules that Facebook has. So Helen, why don't you cover that for us too?
Yeah, so you know how much we love our social media community and all of the input and the beautiful feedback and comments and suggestions, and so many of our patients are helping one another on our Facebook page. That's truly the reason we have that, is so that we all have a place to come together and discuss. What we can't do, however, friends, is we can't speak of illegal activity, period. That includes things like suggesting other states perhaps that you might find medicine. That includes offering to help others find medicine that doesn't involve a licensed facility.
Yep.
Those types of things we can't allow.
And truthfully, our heart is Facebook will shut us down, and then we don't have that social media community to be able to offer to you. By having that on our Facebook page, that's where dispensaries get shut down on Facebook and other platforms too, not just Facebook. So
Yeah.
that's the reason why we have to go and remove some of those comments. So it's just really to protect our page and protect our community for you. So and to keep that going. So
Yeah.
just got to cover those house rules so we can get to the fun part. I think John did leave a note on who the winners are. Helen,
Right below you.
what all do we have to give away? So John normally does this, so bear with us as we kind of fumble through his giveaway. That this is
So
a Sunday
Matt,
giveaway
I
on
think
Monday.
there's a few T-shirts, perhaps. It looks
Yep.
like we've got some old root. Oh, I'm sorry. These are Heartland
Yeah.
Labs. Another one of the manufacturers that we're hoping to have in our store very soon.
Yep.
So we've got some very cool Heartland Labs tees to give away, both one short and one long sleeve. And then
It's the fleece.
Oh my
Very nice.
gosh. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Beautiful. Beautiful.
All right. Well, we got the names here. We'll start with the T-shirt, the short sleeve.
Okay.
We'll do Jess Moore. You're the winner of the T-shirt.
Jess Moore, great. Congratulations.
And then John Watso. John Watso long sleeve tee.
Yay.
And then Zachary Price.
Woo. Wow,
Gets
this
the
is
fleece.
wonderful.
It's gonna be good for the winner.
Especially with your cold Missouri weather. My goodness.
So, and the last winner is the kind of the grand prize. That's the Tantera Farms gift basket. It's got a lot of stuff in it. So,
Wow, that's
but
lovely.
that is going to Angie Martin. So Angie Martin, y'all, if you are one of these winners, go ahead and reach out to us on a DM, so we can get this scheduled to pick up. So, but that's all we have for this week. And once again, we appreciate your patience and we appreciate you for being an Old Route 66 VIP.
We sure do. And we miss seeing y'all. We can't wait to open our doors again.
All right, see you next time.
Bye-bye.